This is an instructional video intended to help you set up Crackles the Clown from Spirit Halloween. Begin by taking everything out of the box. You should have a shirt, 2 hands, a back frame, a torso and mechanism, 2 arms, the ruffles to go around his neck, the base, the head, 2 shoes, the leg poles, the leg foam, and the pants. Begin by snap locking the leg poles B and C to the base. Now grab your 2 red shoes and slide them right over the poles. Next, grab your 2 pieces of leg foam. This is to fill him out a little bit more and slide them right over the leg poles. Next, grab your pant, ensuring that the tag is in the back, and slide them over the leg foam and poles. Now grab your large mechanism and torso piece and snap lock that in. I also decided to put the adapter in at this point and run it down through the leg. Now would be a good time to add your back frame piece. This is obviously just a fork prong. Now would be a good time to snap lock the head into place. You are also going to connect the blue, red, green, and black cables into place. Now you're going to grab your IR sensor and put it through the shirt, ensuring it can see through, and connect it to the Velcro, and then connect the white cable coming from the control box into the IR sensor. Once you have done that, you can throw on the shirt as well. Next, you are going to grab the arms. And once again, it is just a fork connection. Make sure they, of course, are facing forward. This should not be very hard to do. At this point, all wires should be connected, and you could put the control box to your liking. Volume control, what setting it is on, and then you can buckle up the back of the shirt. Next, you are going to take the very small hand and take the cotter pins out. Make sure the thumbs are sticking up. That is the way you know they are correct, and then put the cotter pin right back in, ensuring that it will not fall out. Next, you're going to grab your ruffle, ensuring that the blood splatter piece is in the front. All the Velcro should attach kind of to the neck head area, and then there's another big piece of Velcro that ties it all together in the very back. And now your setup of Crackles the Clown is complete.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!